If you want to count how many words you have in a document, you can do that in a Google Doc. You can just start typing and then check your tools, word count. And that shows you how many pages, words, characters, and then characters without the spaces. You can even use it to copy from somewhere else. On this YouTube video, I have got my subtitles. And if I click on those, so I can copy those, Control A or Command A on the Apple Mac, and then Command C or Control C to copy it into the clipboard, and then I'll paste it over here. Command V or Control V on Windows. Now, how many words is that? Let me check. Tools, word count, 552 words. Okay. Now, one other thing is that you can display the word count while you're typing. You click this on, and then you can see 552 words. And you can see as I'm typing that is already updating on the bottom left there. Now, if you want to highlight just a particular section and see how many words they are, you can just do that. Look at how it's already updated it there, or of course it's going to be up here as well under the word count. So 95 words out of 560 of the total in the document. And the other thing that I haven't shown you is that there is a shortcut, which is on the Apple Mac, Command-Shift-C. And if you want to turn off that word count while you're typing, you can just uncheck that box and hit OK.